Hey everyone, it's Rowan here, and today we're doing another unboxing, looking at the MC-60BT from Mackie.
Thanks for checking out Radio.co on YouTube. If you want to see more kit reviews, live webinars, and handy broadcasting tips, then give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon.
Now, I don't think we've ever looked at a Mackie product on Radio.co before, but we've obviously heard of them. They are a huge deal within the audio industry right now, bringing out some really cool kit actually. And more recently, they brought out a competitor to the Rodecaster Pro with their own mixing desk that we are sure to take a look at some point. But for the time being, we thought we'd have a look at their headphone variety because they've just sent these over to us and they look pretty cool. So from just a quick glance, the MC-60BT seem to be more everyday use headphones. It even says here, great for music, chat, travel. So they're probably not going to be the sort of thing you want for mixing or editing and stuff like that, but perfectly capable of doing so. They're Bluetooth, as the name suggests. And first impressions, they are strikingly similar in looks to the Sony WH4s, I believe. I'll throw an image on the screen. Now, if they're any as good as the Sonys, then that would be great, because the current Sony line, the WH5s, is about £320, whereas the MC-60BT is £200. So in terms of the box itself, pretty standard. You got your Mackie logos all over. Quite a nice looking box, to be fair. Quite well presented. Main features, you got noise cancelling, active noise cancelling, which is great. We've got Bluetooth 5.0, great. IPX4 water resistance. Now, this is really good because currently I've been noticing a trend that headphones, or over-the-ear headphones at least, are starting to ditch water resistance. I don't know why. Sony has become quite bad for this. They're not usable at the gym because of it. They're not usable outside in the rain. Very annoying when they are just everyday headphones. So yeah, that is great to see, and specifically designed to resist sweat and surprise splashes. So obviously you're not going to want to use them in torrential rain, and you're not going to dive in the sea with them, but they should be fine at the gym with a bit of sweat and maybe a bit of drizzle outside. Dual voice mics and touch control. So again, very similar to the Sonys, and quite a lot of over-ear headphones as well now, to be fair. And also, and this came as a massive surprise to me, I did not expect this, wireless charging. And not only that, there's a charging pad included for £200. Not bad. So yeah, as well, what's in the box? You get your headphones, you get a carry case, which is nice, charging pad, like I say, a cable, and a USB-C charging cable as well to charge them. So yeah, in terms of presentation, pretty good, and it's sounding pretty promising. So just rip this open. I'm not very good at these unboxings yet. I feel like there's a lot of work to be done. Most people are very smooth with this part. Ooh. Get rid of that. Let's get inside. Oh, hold on. What's this? It's a double barrel. Oh. Wait, what's going on? Okay, I got it. Don't worry. Box within a box. Ooh, lovely little logo on there. And then, ooh. I feel like I say ooh quite a lot, but that's nice. Nice presentation. Nice secure case, again with the branding on.
Hey you, yes you, did you know you could start your very own radio station right now for free? Yes, for free. Simply click the link in the corner to start your 7-day free trial today.
So we've got some compliance, in case you were worried they weren't being compliant, and we have, if I can get it out, a cheeky little manual, quick start guide. Nah, don't need that. Well, we might need that. We'll come back to it later if we do. But let's just get straight into the headphones themselves. And yeah, the case is very nice. Mackie do like a bit of green, I've noticed, on their headphones. But that's nice. I like a bit of continuity. That's the headphones themselves. We'll come back to that in a sec. But your wires, it seems, are in the case themselves. So here we have the aux cable to connect to your phone or laptop or something like that. And we also have, oh wow, the charging pad. Okay, at all. But we'll have to test it out because I don't know how fast it's going to be or anything like that. It might just be a bit of a, you know, just one of those things to try and pull you in, but we'll find out in our review, which we will be doing later on the channel. So please do subscribe and ring the bell to make sure when that comes out. And where's the USB-C? Oh, the USB-C's in here. Okay, cool, nice. And there we go. Oh, it's a USB-A to USB-C. So not great, but you know, it's good they include it. Looking at you, Apple. So here we go. So in terms of the headphones themselves, you've got a lovely cushioning at the top there, which feels a little bit thin for my liking. We'll have to see how that holds up. It might be the case that it's all right for an hour or so and then gets a bit uncomfortable, but we'll have to test that in our review as well. The cushioning on the pads feels great, actually, and you've got left and right on each side to tell them apart, which is very handy. Again, we'll have to test that out, but they feel really nice. Yeah, I like that. You've got your USB-C charging port on the bottom, but of course, if you want to charge them wirelessly, then I guess it's just a case of, I'm not entirely sure which side it is, but I'd assume it's that one. Just plonk them down like that. So, yeah, pretty cool. You've got your on and off button there, which you just hold down, and you have your noise cancelling button there. Again, very similar to the Sony's. You've got a light indicator and a microphone just here on this side, and your aux slot there. I think that's it in terms of ports. Nothing else to report. Obviously, you've got your Mackie branding on each side, and the touch controls are also in the side of the cups themselves. So overall then, what do you think? I like them. I think they look nice. Let me just put them on a second. I know I'm going to do a full-on review, but yeah. I mean, I've not switched them on, but I can hear some noise cancelling already, which is a good sign. It means that the cups are sealing my ears in very nicely. And they feel, again, let me just test. Very comfortable. They feel very, very comfortable. Yeah, I am impressed so far. The build quality is also pretty good. I mean, that's a fair bit of stretchiness that you're getting. And it's plastic. You can tell it's plasticky, but it's got some weight to it. That could mean two things. That could mean it's going to start hurting after a while. It's going to be a bit uncomfortable on your head because there's that weight. Or it could mean that maybe they've got past that with the cushioning, and instead it's just built really well. Overall then, first impressions, I am very excited to try these out over the next couple of weeks before I do my review, and I'll be sure to let you know how they sound, how good the noise cancelling is, and just little things as well, like, is this good? We'll find out. So make sure to hit subscribe, like I say, ring the bell, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and happy broadcasting.
And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, Radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me? Or why not visit our website, Radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.